How to install custom fonts in Windows 11. So I'll show you how you can add your own fonts to your laptop or computer, and once you've installed these, you'll be able to use them throughout all of your different applications. So first thing we're going to do is just open up an internet browser like this, and you first need to find a font that you actually want to start using. So if you don't already have a font, you can type in dafont in the search box and click on this website, which is dafont.com. Now this is a website that allows you to download thousands of different free fonts on your computer. So once you find a font that you want to use, click on the download button. You can then click on your downloads folder and then go and open up this zip file. Now once you've opened up the zip file, you'll see this file called OpenType font file. Now you need to go and double click on this, and then you'll have the option to install. Click on this, and this will go and install this now to your Windows computer. So once the install button is grayed out, it's finished installing, and you can basically now go and use this in all of your different applications. So for example, if I go and open up a notepad and I have this text here, what I can do is just search for the font that we just downloaded onto our computer. So as you can see, this is the one that I just downloaded, and I can now begin using this in my Word document or notepad.